guys, very warm welcome to my channel once again. I hope you all are doing great. Today, I am not going to share any recipe or any vlog or any travel video. Today, I thought to share a chit chat video. Actually, I was thinking since long, but yeah, that didn't happen. But now it's time, so I thought I must share it today. So today we are going to talk about how to eat healthy every day. See, it's very easy if you are doing diet for a 1 week or a 15 day or a month. It's very easy to plan your diet every day, plan your meal every day, and then you can manage it wisely. But what if you are not on diet? What you are going to eat every day if you are not on diet, right? I know everyone knows that what to eat, how to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat, but still, sometimes we get ran out of ideas. I'm not going to share any plan. I'm not going to share any diet plan with you all because I'm not professional in that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my personal experience, what I do, how I manage every day. So today we are going to talk about few topics. Firstly, stop munching. By stop munching, I mean that you have to stop munching unhealthy things like chips, like crackers, like kurkures, like burgers, like fries, like these junk things that you have to stop for sure. Switch those junk to healthy things like dry fruits, cashew are very healthy, almonds, the walnuts, anything. Even you can also munch a fruit whichever you like. I'm not saying a particular fruit, whichever you like. Grapes, orange, apple, bananas, kiwi, watermelon, anything. But yes, seasonal fruits are best because it's also inexpensive and is easily available. So yeah, try to do this. I'm not saying that just jump immediately to do this, like stop eating everything. No, it takes time. It takes time to make a habit. But once you have a habit of eating healthy things rather than unhealthy things, then it will be easy. Trust me. So now we move to second point. Everyone loves sweet, right? And usually Indians have a habit of eating sweet thing after every meal. It's not abnormal. It's very normal in our families, right? So what we have to do that switch that laddu barfi or jalebi thing to a healthy thing like dates barfi, or you can eat just dates. If you eat that thing, you will not have the craving of sweet anymore. So try to make a habit to eat healthy thing like dates or apricots, dried apricots or apricots, figs, dried cranberries, and nowadays in the market we do also have like that dry food bar. I'm not saying that go purchase and eat that. I'm not saying that, but still there are so many healthy options which you can switch. And trust me, I personally love dates after eating food. So I feel like I'm having some sweet thing after meal. Try it out, guys. I think you will love that, right? Okay. Now, moving to the third point, we talk about chocolates. We all love chocolate, right? So rather than milk chocolate or white chocolate, try to eat dark one, and which is higher than or at least 80%, If it's higher, it's well and good, but at least 80% dark chocolate. See, I'm not saying initially you will like it because there are so many people who really don't like dark chocolates. But it's again a habit, it's a building of a habit. So try it. You must try at least once in your life. So, because I literally know so many people who just hate dark chocolates. Of course, so many people love also, but I'm not talking about them. But the people, those who don't like dark chocolates, they have to build the taste, and it will really build slowly. It's not you have to in hurry, but yeah, try to build now. It will be nice for you and even for your body because body is a thing which we have for ourselves, right? That will stay with you forever. So try to keep it healthy as much as it possible. So So this is also one trick which you can do it. Okay, see, in this video, I'm talking about to make a habit, to make a habit. But that habit didn't happen in a day or in a week. That takes time. I mean, like slow and steady, you win the race. So, last but not the least, you should make habit not to go immediately on bed after eating. I mean, you must have a gap of 1 or 2 hours after having your dinner. So that will help your body to digest the food and give you good sleep. And if you are doing this practice in your life, I am sure that will really boost your energy and it will give good and positive strength to your body. So just try. So guys, these were the some small tips and tricks which I shared with you. I tried it personally, so I thought I must share with you guys. And this helps me a lot, really. And further, if you want me to make more videos like this, like chit chat videos or like with any topic, just comment down in section box below. I will try to make it out and I will try my best. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you have liked it and watched till here, you know the drill. Hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, right? So signing off right now. See you in next video. Till then, bye. Stay happy, stay healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.